Run. I run every morning. We run in the park together. You run very fast. They run after school. He runs to catch the bus. She runs a mile every day. It runs smoothly. Jump. I jump over the puddle. We jump in the playground. You jump so high. They jump on the trampoline. He jumps over the rock. She jumps in the puddle. It jumps like a bunny. Speak. I speak English at home. We speak softly in the library. You speak very clearly. They speak 3 languages. He speaks Spanish fluently. She speaks loudly. It speaks when you press the button. Eat. I eat breakfast at 7 a.m. We eat lunch together every Sunday. You eat very quickly. They eat a lot of vegetables. He eats an apple every day. She eats pasta for dinner. It eats twice a day. Cry. I cry when I'm sad. We cry during emotional movies. You cry a lot. They cry every time they lose. He cries when he's hurt. She cries during sad songs. It cries loudly. Paint. I paint pictures. We paint the wall. You paint very well. They paint every day. He paints cars. She paints flowers. It paints a scene. Drive. I drive to work every day. We drive to the beach on weekends. You drive very well. They drive electric cars. He drives a red sports car. She drives carefully. It drives smoothly. Ride. I ride a bike. We ride horses. You ride the bus. They ride scooters. He rides fast. She rides daily. It rides smoothly. Cook. I cook dinner every evening. We cook together on weekends. You cook very well. They cook meals for the charity event. He cooks Italian food. She cooks delicious desserts. It cooks quickly. Bake. I bake a cake every weekend. We bake cookies for the party. You bake bread very well. They bake pies for the festival. He bakes muffins every morning. She bakes delicious pastries. It bakes evenly in this oven. Laugh. I laugh because it's hilarious. We laugh after the game. You laugh at my mistakes. They laugh at silly moments. He laughs at the prank. She laughs at funny videos. It laughs like a child. Swim. I swim every morning. We swim in the lake. You swim very fast. They swim after school. He swims like a fish. She swims in the pool. It swims across the pond. Teach. I teach English at a school. We teach children how to read. You teach very well. They teach math in the afternoons. He teaches science to high school students. She teaches music on weekends. It teaches us patience. Study. I study every evening. We study together at the library. You study hard for your exams. They study English at school. He studies biology on weekends. She studies very late at night. It studies the behavior of insects.